நீங்க கலக்குறீங்க சார்.
ஐயோ ஐயோ ஐயோ
சார்
கலக்குறீங்க சார்.
இல்ல யாரோ வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க, ரொம்ப போடாம இருந்துச்சு. என்னைக்குமே கருப்பு கலர் பேண்ட்ஸ் தான், இந்த மாதிரி கலர் இருந்துச்சு. என்னடா இதெல்லாம் இருந்துச்சு, ரூம்ல கிளீன் பண்ண எடுத்து போட்டுக்கிட்டேன்.
நல்லா இருக்கு சார்.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
Yes, good evening everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, guys.
Your background is superb, sir.
Yeah, but that's our class, madam.
Wow, super, super, sir.
That's our watermark. That's our watermark, you know.
Okay, sir.
So we have made watermarks. We have made the thing. We are making a few different marks. We'll be sharing very soon to everybody.
Okay, sir.
So we are blessing them.
கொஞ்சம் டார்க்கா இருக்கு Facebookல சார். I think you have to switch on one light.
Okay. Okay. We got all the lights switched on. All the lights available switched on. Oh.
Yes sir.
This is the watermark that energizes your water, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes. But how are you able to get such a background, huge background?
You just have to go and share, man. Just go there and choose the background.
You can choose.
Oh.
You can choose Nivedita here in the down.
Okay.
You can choose whatever you want.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
There is a menu, right? You can use change background.
Okay. Sir is looking so smart today, fully dressed.
No, madam. You see, whenever I go to India, somebody buys me something, I don't wear them, you know. So too little lots. I was like so surprised, you know. Just opening all my dress, just opening up. I got all of this dress, you know, all this dress.
Oh. Okay.
Purple color dress, then brown color dress, you know. I don't know who bought for me and where. Of course, this was the original dress that I used to wear to go for workshops, you know.
Yes, earlier.
Once.
Every Saturday and Sunday you wear the dresses, sir.
Yeah, but this one different. But this one has got some kind of a color where it's like pink, it's like a maroon and pink. The color changes, you know, the light, you know. So I saw all that today, and suddenly I saw there's another one also, blue one.
Oh.
Wearing them now. So start wearing them now. Cleaning up, spend the week, clean up everything, throw away all the old things and keep the new thing. Okay, guys. Good evening, everybody. Good evening.
Sir.
Is everybody here? Number one, Soumya Turlapati. Are you here, madam?
Soumya.
Soumya, unmute and talk. Sridhar Babu
garu. What happened?
Wait 1 minute. Let me share this with everybody first.
సౌమ్య మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదా క్లాస్ లో? సౌమ్య శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారు.
What happened, everybody? Nobody around?
Yes, sir. As usual, Indian punctuality, sir.
Yeah, no. I always tell this in all my workshop. Indian time is not a good time. You go to school on time, right? Whether in India or in America, everywhere, you go to school on time. Why can't they follow the same time everywhere they go?
Yes, sir.
I tell
For
this.
cinema, they went for the time, sir. For cinemas and everything, they are on time, sir.
Namaste, Siva, sir.
Yes, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Okay, sir. Recovering, sir.
Very good, sir. We all have to recover, sir, whether we like it or not. Eh?
Sai Rani.
Namaste, Srinidhi, madam.
Namaste, sir.
Ram Kumar Nalla garu, lera? Ram Kumar Nalla garu.
Yeah, he usually will be available in the online sessions, Facebook online session. Welcome to our home, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, that he's the one. Huh?
Yes,
Welcome to my home. But he's not in here now. He's not in my home yet. What is going on, my friends?
Madam, I hope everyone knows how to unmute and talk.
Yes, madam. I put message already.
You know, guys, today I hear somebody online. She called me up. She's been calling me the whole day, and I said, okay, I'll pick up the call. And she was almost like in the tears and so much a problem. Cannot get up of the bed. And she started vomiting. The whole bed is full of vomit. You know? And then I asked her, what's wrong with you? She said, I'm having giddiness, I'm vomiting and all because the cord came. So I removed the cord, and then she started breathing. She became better and better. I said, your body is so acidic, your stomach is so acidic. What did you have for dinner? Guess what she had for dinner? Malaysian lady, Punjabi lady. Guess what an Indian Punjabi lady in Malaysia had for dinner? Come on, come on, you can unmute yourself and tell me the answer, no problem. Guess what she had? Hey, what happened?
Chole, sir, chole.
Malaysian go no chole all Malaysia no chole all India only. Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Let's ask the group. Come on, guys. Tell me what is it an Indian Punjabi lady had to have so much of problem with the stomach until she vomited in the bed with so much of vertigo and cannot get up from the bed. She couldn't even go to work. And she called me almost about 11 a.m. Guess what? Anybody can guess?
Any non-veg food?
No. It was veg. Roti canai, no. Tandoori, no. Guess what? I'm getting all. Prata, no. Rice, no.
That Malaysian food, sir, taslama, something.
No, madam. Laddu, no. Roti canai, no. Chapati, no. Everybody answering the group.
Sir, the food she had, sir.
Masala dosa.
Ayo.
Andhra food.
Idli, sir.
Dosa, masala dosa. She had masala dosa. And in Malaysia, you go and eat dosa, they take the flour from the refrigerator. You understand? So then they'll take the refrigerator, it'll be fermented. It'll start from the last night, and then in the morning it may be okay. By evening, it's also so sour, acidic, and you put masala dosa inside. You put a masala. Masala here is nothing but potato and lot of masalas. That's all. Nothing else. There's nothing great. Put and she ate. And she went the whole night. She struggled. Acid became so bad. It went up to the brain and caused her vertigo. And she started vomiting. You know. So I had a healing session about 25 minutes with her today. You know. And she was like crying and she vomited. She said, I cannot get up in the bed, sir. My bed is full of vomit. Because there was no digesting, the body wants to throw it out. So imagine how people all can go through so much of trouble with wrong food. Why don't people understand? I tell them, don't eat dosa, especially in Malaysia. I tell them, don't eat dosa at night. In India, it's fine, madam. You got lots of people buying dosa. Maybe the flour is still very, very fresh in the night, in the evening. At 9 o'clock, they already close the place. In Malaysia, you can have dosa at 11 o'clock night, 12 midnight, you can still have dosa. The hotels are open at 2 a.m., some 24 hours. You can have dosa and sambar, no problem. You see, so this is what happened to her. You can share the whole thing today. I recorded the whole thing from the start until how she was okay. She could walk out of the bed and clean her bed. It was all recorded today. You know, even though I'm not doing online live and I'm doing a lot of workshop, but I'm also doing a lot of audio healings, and people call me up. You know, people call me up and I start healing people in the audio, and it's all there recorded. If you look at it very carefully, go through, there's a whole procedure of how to healing, finding the cord, who's sending the cord, neutralizing it, reading forgiveness, and then healing. All will happen at the same time, just online. And I'm not healing them. The wand is from them. You know, one lady called me up. She doesn't even have a wand. She just heard of a PV 2 days back. You know, and the son has taken so much of medication. He's like he's committing suicide and all. You know, so a lot of things, my friends, around the world we do not know. That's why I want PVH to reach to every houses and every family so they can understand what is wrong and how they can overcome this very easily at a very early stage. The boy was wanting to commit suicide for the past 5 years, and yesterday he did it. You know, when I called at about 6 o'clock, the ma'am called me. I said, "Where's the husband? Husband doing puja." I said, "How is the puja going to help your son in the hospital? You know, did you pray every day?" Come on, guys. Sometimes I don't understand. People are just so blinded and just do it like a standard thing, not knowing whether it helps or not. Simply do it. That's all. If I stopped the time doing puja and spent some time with the son, probably he would have been much better. Okay, guys, is number one here?
Soumya. Number one.
Soumya. Soul in the house creating havoc in our lives every day. Sleepless night and no peace. Very interesting to know who these souls are. 1 to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 souls in the house. What is that? Why is the house got
Which
700?
madam? Try to call her, madam. Whether she is in the group or
This is the problem with people, you know. They give everything and we tell them on time, they're not here. 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 780, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 787 souls are there in the house. All are female souls. For some reason, they're all female souls. They couldn't have You must have done something there. They all come there. See, is there a man in the house? Is there a man in the house? The man in the house is the one they are all coming after. Not her. Okay? So she's not there. So what do we do now? Okay, number 2, Sridhar Babu, right shoulder pain. Where's Sridhar Babu? Is he there also?
I saw him online. He came. Sir, Sridhar, sir, please unmute and talk.
I think we should make a video, you know, tell him how to go unmute and mute from the
I
handphone.
send the videos. I send the videos.
Should be from a handphone, no? Tamina Sridhar Baru. What is Tamina? Family name?
Tamina Sridhar Babu.
What is Tamina? Your family name? Tamina?
Tamina family name, sir.
Normally they put family name at the back. I see family in front of you. Now they put Sridhar Babu, Tamina. You're Tamina, Sridhar Babu. So you think you have a lot of regards for your family, huh? How old is the Tamina family, sir? Is it a father?
70.
7. No. The Tamina is a father's name or a family name?
Family name, sir.
So your son will have a Tamina something.
My family name is Tamina.
No, your son. What name will your son have?
My Tamina Anil Kant.
Tamina Anil Khan.
Anil Kant.
Not Sridhar Anil Khan.
No, sir, not us.
So you have no family now. You have no more family. Who is Tamina? Grandfather or father's name?
That is forefathers, sir.
Forefathers. Okay. So if you find the word Tamina, you all are related, huh? Okay, sir. Tell me what's the problem, sir. Right shoulder pain. How long?
Shoulder, sir. 3 months, sir.
Okay. Did you go to my class on shoulder pain on the bones? I explained exactly how the shoulder pain can be. Yours is the shoulder pain on top or on the calf, on the muscles of your arm, or where?
Arm. Shoulder to arm.
How did you heal? Did you heal yourself?
I am not able to heal, sir.
No, did you heal yourself? How did you heal yourself?
I am not able to heal.
Why?
Why? Right hand is not able to raise.
Were you able to heal with the left hand?
Left hand or can?
Then use the left hand to heal, sir.
I can.
How old are you?
70, sir.
You're 70?
70.
70. Okay, 70. Huh? Mr. Tamina Babu, Siddhar Babu, you got a call from a lady. One lady not happy with you.
Lady.
Yes, sir. This lady is coming from your own family. Think of a lady from your family, please.
I am not able to recognize them.
Try to think, sir. I said think. You
Should
may
not
be
say
wrong,
like
you may be right.
that.
Just think and I will confirm.
I could not.
Think of a lady, sir. You could not or you don't want.
I could not, sir.
You can think of your sister-in-law, you can think of your sister, you can think of somebody from your own family, and think.
I don't have sister-in-laws.
You know you are the only son.
Only son.
Okay,
Two
then next. Any sisters you have?
2 daughters.
Any sisters?
Only one sister.
Okay, think of the sisters, sir.
They are well with me.
So think of your sisters, sir.
I think.
Are you thinking of your sisters, sir?
I thinking, sir.
Okay. Read page number 7 for sister right now. Quickly read page number 7. Read page number sister now. You see, sometimes the calls will come from a close member. You do not know. It's not that it's not that they're angry with us. Sometimes it can happen. Sometimes. So he's the only boy and only sister. So maybe something would have happened, something happened. And in India, I'm not sure every culture in India, but many culture in India give all the property to the male child, nothing much to the female child. That could also be one of the reasons. I'm just skeptical. I'm just saying how the calls can come for own family members, Or sometimes the sister-in-law, she may not be very happy, but he's the only brother, he's the only son and one daughter, one sister. So that could be the reason why. Sometimes some family will feel that the father likes you or look the other person more than you, more than somebody else. So in fact, that everyone want a male child, and the male child is given much more respect and priority in a family, in Indian family especially. Oh, he's a male child. Don't disturb him. He's a waris. Sometimes the girl is not even thing. That's why I like the English culture. The English culture. Why? The English culture. Even though she's the first child, she's a female. She becomes the queen. Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth. Like how right now. So they really practice something very strong. The firstborn will be the king, and she's a queen of England, the kingdom until today. This was some countries follow that, but some countries don't do that. They give it to the guys. Okay, madam, have you read, sir?
Right. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the cord is gone. Now you start healing. Okay, sir.
Okay.
You start healing now. You can only left hand. Can somebody else help you? Can your wife or children help you?
They will help you.
Ask her to Ida Pingala. Okay, the pain is the cord is no more now. First of all, if you can heal your stomach, sir. Can you heal your stomach right now? Can you hold your left hand? Okay, all of you guys in Telugu group now. All of you in the thing now. Take the wand now. It's a healing wand. Become as powerful as required to heal Mr. Tamina's physical stomach. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, Mangalama, what do you do? Why you not healing?
అందరూ వ్యాన్ తీసుకుని శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారి ఫిజికల్ స్టమక్ ని హీల్ చేయండి. వ్యాన్ తీసుకోండి అందరూ. సార్ చేస్తున్నారు, సార్ పాటు మీ అందరూ కూడా చేయండి.
Oh, we need translator.
Yes, sir.
Take. Healing Mr. Tamina Babu, Sridhar Babu's physical stomach, because it's very acidic. The problem is his right hand, he cannot lift. So sometimes you must learn to also heal with your left hand. Like I'm doing. Always don't trust. So always, my friend, even though from today onwards you go back home tonight or tomorrow morning, try brushing your teeth with the left hand. It's going to be really difficult. You start trying to comb your hair with the left hand. That's how you learn. You learn everything, you know. But the Indians never allow you to eat the left hand, you know. That's very wrong. You should eat in any hand, doesn't matter. They make the left hand such a bad hand, you know. Both are part of your body. So you should be able to heal with the left hand and also heal with the right hand. See, I'm now doing my left hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly. It's much more difficult, but you must learn to use both your hands, right hand and left hand, whatever work you do. So then you become good. Start with children of a very young age. As you grow older and older, it becomes more difficult. Okay? Okay, Tamina Babu, how do you feel now?
Something better, sir.
What number? 10 to 0. What number you have? 0 is no pain. 10 is the pain you started before you started healing. Or 10 was the pain. 0 is no pain. How much you have now?
50%.
50% gone, sir. So there's a cord. Okay, now the cord is gone. Now your body is very acid. Your stomach is very acid. That's why I tell people, I am now dealing with a lot of Andhra people in the class. And the food that you eat, I can say that you get lots and lots of acid, lots of oily, lots of spicy, lots of salt, and lots of rice in your diet. You have to change this as you grow older and older, sir. Understand, sir?
Okay, sir.
Is the pain coming down now? Even curd. A lot of you eat curd. Curd you can eat when it's still very, very fresh. When you keep them long time, it becomes very acidic. Sometimes it is so acidic, you put salt to neutralize. There's no neutralize. It's just to get away from your mouth. How much now, sir?
$75, sir.
75% gone. You see how miraculous it worked. You can't even heal, but everybody in the class, including me, is healing, and I'm using my left hand to heal. Like that, sir. If you can see me, then you know how I'm doing. I'm just using my left hand to heal you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sir. How much now?
90, sir.
How much?
90, sir.
90% gone, huh? So look at it, each other. So understand, sir. Understand what we're doing, huh? Understand, sir. Okay, sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Understand and start healing. So remember to read forgiveness for your sister. So whatever grievance, try to patch up with her. Say good things about her. Is she living with you or living where is she living? Far away?
They're far away, sir.
Talk to her and say hi, hello, how are you? She's younger to you or elder to you?
I'm not able to touch with them.
Oh, you're having some problem with them. You're not able to patch with them. You have to patch, sir. You have to patch. You still got 10, 20, 30% karma with your sister.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Find a way to go in peace. Be peace with her, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, my friend. Good night to you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
So you guys watch how the healing was done. This is exactly what you do. First of all, you find the cord. Once the cord is gone, it's easy. Of course. Then it was acid. So now you go and see anybody else. You go and see a medical professional. They will tell you all kind of stuff. And you go see a therapy, physiotherapy, they'll push your arm here, arm there. But no one talks about acid stomach. That's a sad thing. The biggest issue we find today everywhere in the world, especially in Asia, especially part of Asia is India, especially part of India is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, where you eat a lot of acidic food. So please be careful. Once the cord is gone, it's easy. Ram Kumar Nalla, off your mic, please. You go and see anybody else. We can hear you, sir. We can hear you talking. They'll tell you, Ram Kumar Nalla, insomnia and diabetes. Let's go to diabetes.
It's very low, sir.
Whose volume is low? My volume is low. Mine is maximum.
సార్ మీరు మీ ఫోన్ లోనిది ఇంకో ఫోన్ పక్కన ఉంది అనుకుంటా, దాన్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ram Kumar Nalla, you know, diabetes can also cause insomnia. You know, sir? You are low, I'm fine. Everybody else can hear me?
Switch off the Facebook, sir. Switch off the Facebook, please.
Volume is very slow, sir.
On only Google Meet, sir. Switch off the Facebook.
Diabetes can also cause insomnia.
Yes, sir.
You know that diabetes can also cause insomnia? You are low, I'm fine. Everybody else can hear me?
సార్ రామ్ కుమార్ నల్లా గారు, మీ ఫేస్బుక్ ఆపేయండి. మీ ఫేస్బుక్ ని ఆఫ్ చేసేసి ఓన్లీ గూగుల్ మీట్ లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి.
సార్
వినిపిస్తోందండి?
Mr. Ram Kumar Nalla, are you okay? Mr. Ram Kumar, are you okay? Are you okay, Mr. Ram Kumar Nalla?
Okay, madam.
మాట్లాడండి సార్, మాట్లాడుతున్నారుగా, మాట్లాడండి.
Is he online?
Let's go number 4. Let's come back to him. Let him manage his audio and things first. We'll talk about something, okay?
Sai Rani, Madam Sai Rani.
ఓకే అండి, చెప్పండి.
Side knee pain and back pain. What happened? What happened, madam? Knee pain. What
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్,
happened?
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సమస్య అయితే ఏం లేదు, నేను మీట్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను అంతే.
ఏం మేడం?
ఏమి అడగడానికి వచ్చినేం లేదండి.
Madam, how many years knee pain, madam? How many years?
50 అండి.
What, madam?
50 అండి.
15 years knee pain. You know who you should talk to? You should talk to our ambassador for knee pain and back pain, ambassador in Andhra Pradesh. What's her name? What's her name?
సాయి రాణి అండి.
Not your name, our ambassador.
సాయి రాణి.
Not you, madam. Not you, madam.
Varsila.
దీంట్లో కనెక్ట్ చేద్దామని నేను అనుకున్నాను.
Madam, Sai Rani.
అవునండి.
Madam, your body is super acidic. Madam, your body is super acidic. You understand what I mean by super acidic?
మీ బాడీ బాగా యాసిడిక్ గా ఉందని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
అవునా?
Hmm?
దానికి ఏం చేయాలి?
Body is super acidic.
She is asking what to do for that, sir.
You have to change that in order for this to go. You're having a lot of issue because acid, your bones all been eaten up.
మీ
Okay, madam?
బోన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వచ్చిందిట, మీ బోన్స్ కి ఆల్రెడీ ఆ ఎసిడిటీ మూలంగా.
ఓ, నీ పెయిన్ ఉందండి.
I know you have knee pain, madam. I know you have knee pain. The knee pain is because of all of this, because of the food. Heal your stomach, heal your liver, do liver flush, and stop eating all of this acidic food. Zero Andhra food for you. Can you follow zero Andhra food, madam?
ఓకే.
No dal. Must listen, madam. Must listen. Is your knee? You got money, madam? You got money? Anybody in the group knows about anyone in the group knows about joint replacement? Anyone knows about joint replacement? Anyone has got joint replacement here at the class right now? Just raise your hand, madam. Please say Telugu, madam.
ఎవరైనా జాయింట్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ చేయించుకున్నారా గ్రూప్ లో అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
లేదండి, నేనే హీల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను.
నోబడి ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్ సార్.
Nobody, yeah? Because I think you end up, after even the operation, you end up taking pills every day for rest of your life.
నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
That's what they say. So please be careful. It's not the end of joint replacement only. Madam, go and change your food, madam. That's all. Go and check our healing tool and you understand. Because no black magic, nothing.
మీ ఫుడ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోకపోతే జాయింట్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ దాకా వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది అని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
ఓకే అండి.
ఫుడ్ తప్పనిసరిగా చేంజ్ చేసుకోమంటున్నారు.
Why all these people go Sai? Why all go Sai in this group? All Sai only. What happened to Sai? Who is this Sai? Shiva Sai, Prasad, Sai Rani. Why is this Sai? They put themselves, or it's part of the name in the registration.
Sir, they're all Sai Baba devotees, sir.
Sai Baba don't teach all of these things.
Sir?
What does Sai Baba teach, madam? They don't teach them about joint pains or not eat food, this kind of food, or they don't teach.
Yes, sir. They won't teach anything, sir.
They just see all the magic thing, take out this, take out this, that's all, and everybody happy. Huh? Where is Sai Prasad? I want to know why they put the word Sai. Is it part of him or he just add himself?
Mr. Sai Prasad, are you online? No.
By Lavanya, menstruation.
Lavanya, she left from the group, Srinidhi madam. Lavanya.
Okay.
7th one.
Modungo.
Jishita.
మోదడుగు జీషిత సార్.
Moda Dugu. Okay.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ చెప్పు.
Yes, madam. Madam, who is this? Look like a small girl.
పెట్టు వీడియో పెట్టు.
Sir, she needs healing, sir. She is a type 1 diabetic patient. This girl, little girl, Jishita.
Okay. At what age she was diagnosed, madam? What age?
11 years, sir.
No, is she now? She's 11 years old now, correct?
Yes, sir.
What age did they diagnose her with diabetes?
ఏ వయసులో డయాగ్నోస్ చేశారు?
8 months back, sir.
Before that, madam, she was fine? How they diagnosed
she was
her?
fine, sir.
No. What they found out to diagnose her as type 1 diabetic? Was she tired?
Okay.
Was she urinating something?
She was very sick, sir. January 29th, she was very sick.
Okay. On what reason? On what?
Other than Feb 1st ki doctor, Feb 1st we will go to doctor, sir. Consult the doctor. He tells she is diagnosed, sir. Actually, type 1 diabetes, sir.
No, okay, madam. Okay. Now my question, madam, what was the sickness? What was it? High fever, or was it a bacterial infection, or virus infection?
Energy loss, sir. Energy loss.
Oh, but before that, no problem.
Before that, no problem, sir.
What was her diet? What does she eat? Lots of ice cream.
ఏం పెడుతున్నారు అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
Lots of chocolate.
She was not eat that, sir.
Then what she eats, madam?
Now only they are taking care of the diet, sir, after explaining by PVH. And now she is taking care of her daughter about food and
No,
everything.
madam. No, I understand, madam, but this is long time ago, madam. At the age of 1, 2, 3, from 3 years old, there was a lot of cords coming to her because of the father. Where's the father?
మీ హస్బెండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు మేడం?
హస్బెండ్ ఇప్పుడు బయటికి వెళ్ళారు మ్యామ్, షాప్ కి వెళ్ళారు.
పాపకి 3 years ఏజ్ అప్పుడు ఫాదర్ నుంచి చాలా కార్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి అని చెప్పి సార్ చెప్తున్నారు.
ఓకే.
So can the father come now?
No,
Sir, he went out for some reason, sir.
Okay, how long will it take to come back, madam? How long will it take for him to come back?
ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది ఆయన రావడం?
7 కల్లా వచ్చేస్తారు మ్యామ్.
By 7 he will be back, sir.
Okay, when he come back, madam, make him read affirmation. There's a lot of dark energy in the house affecting your daughter.
Okay, sir.
In fact, all our organs are affected. All.
మేడం మీ
Okay.
హస్బెండ్ వచ్చాక చదివించమని
Can we coming from the
చెప్తున్నారు.
one lady? There's one lady from his own family not happy with him. From his family, madam, not happy with him. Okay.
Me
So let us
husband,
remove this, and then only you can start healing. Until then, the healing won't work. Lots of cords coming to the whole house, especially disturbing the small girl. That's all. Understand, madam?
Okay, sir.
So many
Yes.
organs, all the organs affected. So make him come and sit down. If he can talk to us before that, it'll be good. Then we can identify, can remove it for him. Okay? Okay, madam?
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమైంది మేడం?
లాస్ట్ లో అర్థం కాలేదు మ్యామ్, ఒకసారి చెప్పరా?
మీ హస్బెండ్ వైపు నుంచి ఒక లేడీ నుంచి థాట్స్ అన్ని వస్తున్నాయి, నెగిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ బాగా ఉంది, ఆయన చదవాలి ఎఫర్మేషన్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
చదివితే అదే దానివల్ల పాపకి ఆర్గాన్స్ అన్ని కూడా అన్ని ఎఫెక్ట్ అయినాయని చెప్తున్నారు సారు. అది చదవకుండా హీలింగ్ జరగదు, ఆ థాట్స్ పోతే గానీ హీలింగ్ జరగదని చెప్తున్నారు. అందుకని ఆయన చేత చదివించండి. ఒకవేళ క్లాస్ అయిపోయేలోపు వస్తే కనుక ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి, ఒకసారి చేద్దాం. ఓకేనండి?
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఇప్పుడు పిలిపిమంటారా మ్యామ్? ఫోన్ చేస్తే 1 hour లో వచ్చేస్తారు.
పిలిపించండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేద్దామా మ్యామ్ సార్కి అప్పుడు?
ఓకే మేడం, మీరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay. Hi, sir. Malarapu. Are you here? Malarapu, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
బాలకృష్ణ గారు.
Balakrishna, sir.
Oh, Balakrishna.
Our Balakrishna.
Balakrishna, are you here?
Yes, sir.
So Malarapu is another family name?
Mallarapu, sir.
It's a family name. Is that your family name?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is Malarapu your family name or your father's name?
Surname.
Surname. Okay, now I am previous member for the past 5 years. I probably totally any work doing and taking all negativity, and always I am reading affirmation, but last few days not reading, sir. Always I am blessing and participating in my job, gone, and child. My job is gone. You don't have a job now.
Sir.
And he's saying that, and child not here 5 years completed. What do you mean not here 5 years completed in my marriage? Oh, you have no child yet. Yeah. Oh, child not here. I thought child went to somebody's house already. You people so funny. La. I thought child not here means child went somewhere else, thought to come back home. Sir, say I need a child. We need a child. We need a baby. No, so easy for me to understand. Okay, and totally disturb my mind. Suicide thought. Why suicide thought?
I don't know, sir.
Full that issue also coming. I have visited Borobudur with you, sir. It's great opportunity giving us past life and present life without mistake doing. I am not understanding, sir. Okay, good. Next one, madam. Next line. Next page. Wait. Let us read all your thing, okay? Madam, next page, madam. Madam, are you able to change the next page? So, Mr. Balakrishna, you have no job. You are not working now, huh?
Sir.
So there's somebody from your family not happy. Somebody from the family not happy with you. So that's one lady from your family not happy with you.
Sir.
మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఒక లేడీ మీ గురించి మంచిగా ఆలోచించట్లేదని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
Think of a lady. Think of a lady.
ఎవరో ఒకరు తలుచుకోండి మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళని.
Yes, sir.
Read page number 7 for the lady now. Read page number 7 for the lady now, sir. Let me remove the blocks. Okay, sir. I've removed your block from the lady now. Okay, so please read forgiveness for her every day, 1, 2, 3 times minimum, and do divine fire for your new job. Do divine fire for your child. Okay, sir. Can you do that? Huh? Do that, huh? Hey, you came. I remember you want to get married. You want to get married. I remember you. Every time you come to class, you say, I want to get married. I want to get married. I want to get married. You are the one?
No, sir, he is not.
Ask him, madam. I remember something like him.
మీరు సార్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి మ్యారేజ్ కావాలని అడిగారండి?
నేనా మేడం? నేను అడగలేదు మేడం.
No, sir, he is not, sir. He is from somewhere else, Godavari district.
Oh, he was already married. He was already married before he came to PVH.
మీకు మ్యారేజ్ అయిందా PVH కి ఉంటే ముందే?
అవును మేడం, అయింది మేడం.
Yes, sir, he is married before PVH.
Okay. So now the block is gone, things will start to change. But read forgiveness for the lady 3 times a day. 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day. Sorry.
4 times a day మీరు ఫర్గివ్నెస్ ఆ లేడీ పేరు మీద చదవాలన్నారు. సార్ బ్లాక్స్ తీసేశారు. మీరు PVH మీకు సర్కమ్స్టాన్సెస్ అన్ని బాగా జరుగుతాయని చెప్పారు సార్.
Okay, sir. Got it?
మేడం, ఇంకోటి మా చైల్డ్ బర్త్ గురించి మేడం.
Sir, they are asking about the child birth, sir.
No blocks now, madam. There's no blocks now. The block is all coming from that lady, madam.
ఇప్పుడు బ్లాక్స్ ఏం లేవండి. ఆ లేడీ దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి బ్లాక్స్ అన్ని. సార్ రిమూవ్ చేశారు. మీరు ఫర్దర్ గా ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వచ్చు సార్.
మేడంకి మ్యారేజ్ అదే చైల్డ్ బర్త్
గురించేనండి సార్ చెప్పింది. బ్లాక్స్ ఏం లేవు, మీరు ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఆ లేడీ నుంచే వస్తున్నాయి. సార్ ఆ బ్లాక్స్ అన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసేసారు.
No more problem. I don't say any negativity, my friend. You're fine now. So please do the right thing. Okay, do the right thing. Let me bless you. Let me remove all the block and bless both of you. Put your hands out like that, my friend. Both of you put your hands out.
చేతులు ఇలా చాచండి.
Okay, my friends. Let's see what happens. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Number 9. Alivelu Mangamma. Madam Alivelu, are you here? Madam Alivelu Mangamma. Gas trouble, indigestion. Ay.
మంగమ్మ గారు ఉన్నారా? మీరు క్లాస్ లో ఇందాక ఉన్నారు కదా?
Is she there?
No, sir. She went. I think signal lost.
Okay, Sudha, I want to heal child block. Is Sudha here?
Sudha garu unnara?
Yes, sir. I am there, sir. Good evening, sir.
How long you been married, madam?
9 years past away, sir.
You see, madam, stomach upset, neck, shoulder pain, back pain after lifting little heavy thing, sleep disturbance, new moon, full moon. Madam, your body is super acidic, madam.
Okay, sir.
Please go and change your diet, madam. Don't tell me I don't know what to eat. I only have this, I eat this. Cannot say that. You must change your diet, madam. You change your diet, all the back pain all will go, madam. See, the stomach is the main thing. From the stomach, the acid will flow everywhere the body, madam. Okay? I see amazing acidic body. When the body is acidic, madam, even sometimes your ovulation all will not be strong enough to even consume a child.
No, sir. I am not eating any idli, dosa, sambar. But even though I eat just little bit anything, I feel my stomach full.
What you had for lunch today, madam?
Sir?
What you had for lunch?
Sir, lunch chapati, sir.
Chapati with what, madam?
Chapati, dal, sir.
You see? You see lah? You see lah? You see lah, all you people telling and ask you the question, even chapati can make your body very acidic, madam.
Okay, sir.
Chapati, you make dosa, chapati dosa, wheat dosa, but whole meal wheat, not white flour wheat, madam.
Okay.
La, madam, cannot lah. I don't think people from India will change lah. How to change, madam? Yeah. You see, madam, I tell people don't take dal. Huh? In fact, madam, people in India say dal got lots of gassy. See, gas bloating. First thing, gas bloating. Bloating, type bloating. Where is that? Lifting heavy things, all, madam. So, madam, there's no more of the new moon, no more, all, no more, no. There's no black magic, nothing, madam. Okay? So, follow the thing. Change your diet. Please change your diet, madam.
What about children, sir?
Yes, madam, when your body is so acidic, man, how can children come? Madam, let me tell you something, madam. Okay, let's say you make love with your husband. Now, the sperm must travel from a cervical, go to the uterus, and must find the egg, madam. The egg is a big place to find. That's why you need so many hundreds of thousands of millions of sperm to go inside. And the environment there is very, very nasty, madam. If it's also acidic, madam, the sperm will die. The sperm cannot reach the egg, madam.
But we consult the doctor, he having low sperm quality.
Yes, madam, but that's sperm, right? It takes one sperm only.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Understand, madam? There's only one sperm required, not million. But the sperm, whether high quality or low quality, madam, must swim through the acidic medium.
Okay, sir.
The lady's vagina, madam, the fluid is acidic because they want to kill all the bacteria. At the same time, the sperm must be strong enough to fight. When it's weak, it cannot, madam. It cannot. Understand, madam?
Okay.
That's what they'll do, IVF and all. They'll fertilize the sperm outside and they'll put inside, madam, the egg inside so that the thing. But still then, if your body is very acidic, it cannot attach itself to the wall of the uterus and it cannot form. So all this is very, very important to understand, madam. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir.
So please understand, madam. Go and change your diet. I see, madam, all the problem, madam. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's all caused because of your diet.
Okay, sir.
Or a tamarind. You know, you go to the temple, they give you rice, they give you pulisoru, you buy back and eat. All these things, madam, are the one that's causing all the problems. So go back, even curd. Drink milk, madam. Drink milk. Don't eat curd.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start doing now. Okay? Start doing.
Okay,
Thank
sir. Sir, I have little pain in left knee.
Where's your pain, madam?
Knee joint. Left
Madam,
leg.
you don't change your diet, madam. Healing will be temporary only.
Okay, sir.
You start, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months, you change your diet, madam.
Okay.
Start eating like a Chinese. Eat a lot of green vegetable, zero rice, 1 eat flour, whole meal flour, not chapati, but make dosa, whole meal dosa. You can add some kefir flour and eat. Eat a lot of green vegetables. No more pickles. I can talk, madam.
Like salad.
Madam, when are you going to have a food class?
We have already conducted one class. Yes, previous Sunday, we in Vedita Madam conducted diet class, sir.
How many people come, madam? How many people come?
Around 50 people, sir.
This lady, the girl just not, did she join the class?
Yes, sir. She was in the class.
She joined, but lunch she had a dal for lunch. Then how, madam? What dirty? Attend class, but they must understand. They must follow strictly, madam. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
NV Dana Lakshmi. My husband has psoriasis from 19 years, and from 14 years he can walk with only someone's support, and he's having sugar from 12 years. Kindly advise. Where is this man? Where is this Dana Lakshmi? Where are you, madam?
Namaste,
What I
sir.
want, madam. Madam, did your husband change the diet, madam?
My husband made changes, sir.
1 month నుంచండి. 1
Like
month.
from 1 month, he started changing, sir.
Only 1 month, huh? You know how long you see the effect, my friend? You'll take them. Why you show photograph all, madam? You know how long it takes the effect, madam, to have this 1 month on? Who is the one? The son? Is that a son?
No,
Who
sir.
is beside you?
Padmavati Madam's son, sir.
Who is this? Who is your friend? Are they friends?
They are friends, sir.
Okay.
They are relatives.
Madam, tell this lady, madam, the husband need to change the food, madam. Ask the wife, does she eat jaggery or not?
బెల్లం తింటారా అండి సార్?
తక్కువండి.
Very less. She is saying very less, sir.
Madam, does she eat jaggery?
Yes, sir.
నేను తింటాను, నేను కొద్దిగా తింటానండి, నేను కూడా కొంచెమే.
What, madam?
Very small amount there. She is saying very small.
Madam, it should be zero amount.
పూర్తిగా తీసుకోకూడదు.
For psoriasis, madam, you must go and control food. Do 1, 2, 3. Do 3 liver flush. Okay, do enema. 1, 2 times do enema. Bowel enema. Okay. Next, madam, he must change all his diet totally. No spicy food, no mixture, no ice cream, no sugar, no salt. He has to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. Then he'll see some changes.
ఓకే సార్.
There's no black magic, nothing, but now only physical problem. He must change the diet. One man, madam, 2.5 months he went on raw food. Okay, madam, his psoriasis became better at 95%.
ఓకే సార్.
Sir, also he won't be listening, sir. Sometimes if we say for his good also. See, recently he fell down and when we asked him to go to hospital, so he said, no, nothing will happen to me. It's okay. But the pain lasts for almost a month, and he's not listening.
Send him to old folks home. Send him to old folks home. You don't want to listen, you go to old folks home.
Old folks.
Tell him that. If you want to listen and change your diet, the way of life, I am not going to help you to walk. He can walk only with someone's help. We are not going to help you walk yourself. Tell him. You want to follow the rules, then we help you. That's all. Make some rules.
Okay.
Hey, if you're a naughty boy, what your father will do? What will your father do if you're a naughty boy?
He will beat or he'll give a punishment.
Yes, like that you must punish that man. Don't listen, no food for you.
Okay.
Go and cook yourself. Go and cook yourself. Tell him, you go and cook yourself. You won't listen to me. I am not going to suffer with you. Marrying you is suffering enough. I don't want to suffer anymore. Tell him straight away. Tell my fighter. I don't want to suffer. You want to change, you change this now. Or you go and cook yourself, whatever you want to eat. No more jaggeries. Listen to me. No more jaggeries, not even salt. Psoriasis is all about the liver. Heal the liver.
Okay.
There are many people who have come to PVH have healed everything. Even psoriasis. Form 95% clean. The man cannot wear short sleeve shirt. He must wear long sleeve shirt. Today he's normal, very normal dress.
Okay.
కాళ్ళకి చేసి అడుగుతున్నాడు, చెప్పమ్మా.
అది అడగలేదు, చెప్తున్నారు. Sir, also he's like because of this psoriasis, he's having like this, sir, like everything got swollen completely.
My friend, can you listen to me? Start changing diet now. Start today diet. No dosa, no idli, no puri. No puri. Puri very easy to make, isn't it? Put the oil, boop, and then you come and eat. No dal. Change the diet, please. No acidic food. Things will start to change, but it takes some time. Okay?
Sir, also they are not having kids, sir.
Hey, let them count psoriasis, but then talk about the kids.
Okay.
Do one by one. Let him survive. He has to go to work and take care of the kid, isn't he?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nivedita. Good evening, sir. Have a few doubts to know about my nephew, Akhil. He's talking non-stop for nearly 5 to 16 hours a day. You are giving him 1.5 sleeping tablets. He sleeps maximum 6-7 hours. I'm just curious to know about some of his conversation, which I want to share. What is conversation, madam? Are you here, madam?
Nivedita, madam.
What does he talk?
నివేదిత గారు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి. ఇందులో కనపడుతున్నాను చూసావా?
Okay, who's there now? Padmavati, Balachandran.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir,
It was my daughter-in-law, Mrs. Vidya Rajesh. She's 8 months pregnant, and doctor has said that the child's growth is not as required. American standard. Huh? American standard. Madam, American standard. Father, mother drink beer, madam.
No, sir. No, sir.
American
Sir.
standard, madam, not your standard. American
No,
standard.
sir. That is yes, sir. See, on 13th, first they did a scan. On 20th, they said 1 week there is no growth. On 21st, during our bed yoga, you removed those some cords were there because of the father. So father read affirmations, you removed and helped them, sir. On 30th, they went to the doctor. They went for the next scan. Everything is fine, sir. First of all, thanks. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I remember. I think she woke up and woke the husband up for sleeping that
Yes,
time. I
sir.
think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very, very late.
Both
in
of
the
them
2
are
o'clock.
reading and we are healing also, sir. Every day she does it, a mother's healing also. Everything is going on, sir. Few more things. Wand, the moment we pick up the wand and before even we can give a command, all our pain vanishes, sir.
How is that possible, madam? You must have special one, madam. Special
sir.
program one, madam. I didn't know that.
In the thought, I think this and I pick up, and then immediately it is so powerful. Sometimes I'm very scared of the divine fire. Also, it's so powerful, sir.
Madam, it's all to do with your past life connection, madam. Some of you got lots of connection, and this is something you've been finding for years, and it's come to you, and you are part of the whole
Exactly, sir.
connection.
I really thank my soul for allowing me to follow PVH.
Yes, madam. Not the soul, not only the soul, madam. People around you, your father, your brother, your husband, all of them, madam. Some people, they want to follow, they cannot. The husband says, don't follow, don't do this thing. They throw it away, they break it in front of them. So many trouble they go through, madam. Sometimes it's a lot of things to be followed. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much, sir.
Madam, the baby is fine now. She's growing. Think of the
She's
baby.
growing.
Think
They
of the
told
mother.
wait, he will come out normally.
Okay, madam, done. Blessing done. Let's see. In the meantime, madam, just see the cervical, the mother cervical, the sex chakra, root chakra, and the cervical and the baby. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Use the powerful wand, madam. It will happen.
Yes, sir. It is, sir. It is, sir.
Okay, madam.
Sir, second is my husband, Srinidhi. You have the photograph. I actually wanted to show the pictures to sir of my husband.
What's wrong with them?
Is 2 pictures I sent.
No, madam, I didn't receive it.
Okay, sir. He many years back, about 15-20 years back, he had some homeopathy medicine, which which flared up and got small things. And subsequently, what happened? 1 or 2 spots, that black things remained, sir. One here, one here on the nose and all. They became really spongy and very big. So I was talking regularly with Nivedita madam, and we started healing, sir. 8 months, sir. Wonderful change. Wonderful change, sir. I just want to know, little bit is left. I just want to know if there is anything else.
Let's see the liver, madam.
Okay, sir. Liver flush.
Good. If you can do good liver flush, better, madam.
Okay, sir. Can I call him 1 minute, sir?
Sure, madam.
Srinidhi madam, Nivedita madam joined. Some technical problem she gone through.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Wait,
yes.
wait. Let us finish this. Let's finish this first. Hold on.
My husband, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Super fine. How are you?
Hey, very nice. Super fine. Like super. My money is super good, huh? Super fine.
Good.
Sir, this is what I was asking about, sir. And this was so big and spongy, dark black. Everything is vanished.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Sir,
Take one
anything
more
else?
flight. He's fine,
Follow
madam. No
the
issue,
same-
madam. No issue with him. He's fine.
No issue. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Take care. You're fine.
Keep it good
No
luck.
problem.
Good.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, I have lot of time left. So I keep on asking Nivedita madam, anybody I can heal, anybody I can do anything.
Do, madam. Start doing. Go on and teach. Go on
Please
and
let
teach.
me know.
Madam,
Please
go on
let
and
me know
teach
if
people.
I can be of use to
Go on and
anybody.
teach people, madam. Go on and teach people.
Teacher.
Teach the poorest of the poor. Go and teach the poorest of the poor.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm. Make changes in the life. Make changes in all their lives, madam. They'll be fine. Okay, madam?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Nivedita, you are saying that something to do with your nephew, and he's talking. What does it talk? Does it make any sense?
Sir, he always keep like he's conversing.
Hold on. So,
This is the picture she shared, sir.
Before.
Before, yeah.
And now?
Yeah, I'm changing.
Now or before?
Yes, sir. This is now. She said she sent two of these pictures.
Okay. It's come on a lot, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nivedita, the big one, huh? The big one here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk to Nivedita.
Yes, sir. Sir, he always keeps talking and he keeps like, oh, Gautama Maharishi has come. Yeah, I remember. He keeps conversing like that, sir. And he used to keep talking about Virupaksha. And he would be so happy, when my Virupaksha has come. So once we were just seeing if there's something with that name, and we Googled and then we found that. That's what, sir. Virupaksha.
Who is that?
So we Googled and saw there is one very big temple in Karnataka, Virupaksha temple. So then, my niece was telling me.
It's all his past life connection, madam.
Yes, sir. Then he says, I've come from Warangal. And then he talks about all those rishis and munis because we don't discuss all that at home, from where he's getting all this.
All his past life connection, madam, is getting connection with all his past life things.
He tells, sir, there is lot over here. My memory is coming back. It's actually very scary, sir. So I just want to, after we read, searched a lot about all this, he was connected with one king, Krishna Deva Raya. Is his soul still around, sir? Because I feel, that soul is troubling him, right?
No, madam. He's just making connection to the inner world.
Okay.
No soul, nothing. The connection coming. Like when you do this astral travel, you go down there, you learn something, you come back. So he's connected to his past life things.
Okay.
So past life. He's going by his past life and he's getting all his connection with his past life.
Yes, sir. He says, I've written lot of songs. I've written 108 books. All this he kept saying. When my niece is alone, she gets very scared. Then she says,
as long as he doesn't harm anybody, he's just saying his experience, madam. So now tell him, now let's do, now you come, let's start writing new books. Come, write, make him do some work.
Yes, sir. I'm actually planning.
It's called spirit writing, the spirits can come and write to them through him.
Okay.
Can even communicate.
Okay,
sir. So there's a lot of information there. They can come and communicate and they will tell all of the stories of the inner world and they can write down and share with people. Madam.
Okay, sir.
They call it channeling.
Channeling. But this, sir, 15 to 16 hours a day he's talking. How do we stop that?
More, madam. Take a tape and record it. Put on, okay, I'm going to record it now. Put a tape and record it, madam. Or put a video and recording it.
Yeah, okay.
Madam, don't worry. There might be some answer coming from the inner world. The inner world may be using him to bring the information also.
Okay. Yeah, I always keep shutting him up. You just keep shouting because everyone gets irritated.
No. Tell him quietly, read now, talk. Imagine, madam, people who are connected, madam, sleep is not important for them.
Yes.
They just keep on talking. They can talk the whole night, madam, and they feel rejuvenated.
Yes.
So
having to give him 1.5 sleeping pill to make him sleep. Otherwise, none of us are able to sleep. That's the reason I'm having to give
him. Okay, we have talked now. We all want to sleep. These hours you start talking. So put a video and say talk. Give him some time. Accept it. Don't fight him.
Okay.
Accept it. Okay, good. You're talking some very good things. Some talk, and then we go through it, and then we spend some time with him. 1 hour. What? Okay, let's start. Okay, what is this all about? Make him involved. Then he'll be more happy, brother.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Encourage them.
Okay, sir. We'll start doing that, sir.
Yes,
who has come to learn about PVH to me, she was asking me, she's a divorcee, and lot of married men are interested in her. And
Madam, this always happens, madam. It always happens.
yes, sir. But the
The
thing is,
moment you're divorced, your energy changes and lots of things will come in your way. She has to be very, very strong.
she has denied, saying that she's not interested in having any relationship, and some people are like, it's just out of goodwill, we don't want anything, I just want to support you and things like that.
No
So-
such thing, madam. It'll end up there. Another will end up there. Just the beginning.
And then her main question was, two of them are like, okay, in this lifetime, if we are not able to, I'll wait for the next lifetime. Now she's scared where she's going to take all these connections. So she was asking me.
No,
how
she will not. It's all just talk, madam. Just talk. Men talk. It's not got any connection unless they commit suicide. If they commit suicide for her, they'll be hanging on this lifetime, but not next lifetime. They might find her next lifetime. They might find her.
No, but
this
what-
lifetime, definitely they will go around.
when I'm learning PVH, why should I have even any of all these connections? How can I stop them from getting attached?
Madam, sometimes, madam, just people get infatuated, people feel nice. It's just like that, madam. It's like that, madam. Just like a man can feel for a woman can feel same thing for a man also, madam.
Okay.
See, everybody go through a difficult time and they want something out of the whole thing, madam, you know. And that time come, age is not even a limit. Age is not even a limit, madam. A younger man can fall with an older woman. An older woman can fall with a younger man. It's all the same thing. There's nothing wrong. But just that the society that we live in, madam, cannot accept this.
Okay, sir.
In fact, one lady called me up. She said she's a professor in a college and a student is after her. I said, madam, you can only get married in Europe, stay in Europe and never come back. You can't do that in India. You'll finish. Even the neighbors will throw stones in your house, you know.
Yes, that is so true, sir. So true.
See, a man can marry a younger woman, but an older woman cannot marry a younger man. This is all
Younger-
bad. It's a whole thing, madam. Older man can younger woman and they'll all talk about it and they'll just leave it alone. But imagine a younger man getting a better woman. That's really very hostile in your country, madam. In Asia, you know, can be
Yes.
very, very dangerous, madam. So must be very careful about this country.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, madam. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, who is next now?
Ram Kumar Nalla is here.
అలివేలు మంగమ్మ గారు అలివేలు మంగమ్మ గారు
I thought this was, we did this. Hey, Mangama, where are you, Mangama?
మేడం మీరు హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేశారు మళ్ళా రారేంటి
She's here. Her video is on, but her audio is off.
మేడం
there
మైక్
is some
ఆన్ చేసుకోండి
problem. We are not able to, though we are unmuting, even I was also not able to connect. There's some issue with our connections, I think.
Okay, what about Ram Kumar, sir? Can you unmute and talk?
Okay, madam.
Yes.
Oh, who is that?
Madam, అలివేలు
చెప్పండి
నాకు అదే గ్యాస్ ట్రబుల్ ఇండైజెషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉన్నాయి కాలు జాలు నొప్పి ఉంది మేడం సయాటికా పెయిన్స్
Ask her what lunch you had today.
ఇవాళ ఏం తిన్నారండి మధ్యాహ్నం మీరు మధ్యాహ్నం భోజనం ఏం చేశారు
పోస్ట్ లో సయాటికా పెయిన్స్ రాశాను మేడం
అది కాదు మేడం మీరు మధ్యాహ్నం లంచ్ ఏం చేశారు లంచ్ ఏం తిన్నారు
లంచ్ ఈ రోజు రాగి మాల్ట్ రాగి జావా
అంతేనా ఇంకేం తినలేదా
అంటే వెజిటబుల్ క్యాబేజీ వేసుకొని దాంట్లో వితౌట్ ఆయిల్ తాలింపు లేకుండా ఏం లేకుండా తిన్నాను జావలోనే
రాగి మాల్ట్ సార్ విత్ క్యాబేజీ
Madam, cabbage can give you a lot of gas. Cabbage, be careful.
Cabbage gas. So what we are eat to?
Tell this girl she's got a card from a lady coming from her own family.
మీ ఓన్ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి ఒక ఆవిడ నుంచి కార్డ్ వస్తుందండి మీకు థింక్ చేయండి ఆవిడ ఎవరో మీ ఫ్యామిలీనే
అంటే నాకు మ్యారేజ్ అయింది మా అత్తగారేమో బహుశా మ్యారేజ్ అయింది డైవర్స్ అయింది
షీ ఇస్ ఎ డైవోర్సీ సార్
I got it, but there's a lady from her own family not happy with her.
She's saying that her mother-in-law, she's saying that, sir.
No. From her own family, one lady.
మీ పుట్టింటి వైపు వాళ్ళ నుంచి మేడం, మీ అత్తారింటి వైపు నుంచి కాదు.
Has she got brothers?
మీ బ్రదర్స్ కానీ?
బ్రదర్స్ మా తమ్ముడు ప్రకాష్.
Is the brother married?
మీ బ్రదర్ మ్యారీడా?
లేదు కాలేదు.
నాట్ మ్యారీడ్ సార్.
One lady from her family.
ఎవరైనా లేడీస్?
అంటే మా చిన్నమ్మ మల్లిక చిన్నమ్మ.
No.
ఇంకోళ్ళు ఎవరైనా థింక్ చేయండి.
శ్యామల.
Read page number 7 for Shyama.
ఆవిడ 7వ పేజీ తీసి క్షమాప్రార్థనలో ఒక బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఆవిడ పేరు పెట్టి చదవండి.
చదవమంటారా?
లోపల చదువుకోండి, పైకి చదవక్కర్లేదు, మీ లోపల చదువుకోండి.
చదువుతున్నాను.
Read now, madam. We'll check now once and for all.
Yes, sir. She is reading, sir.
శ్యామల పేరేనా మేడం?
అవునండి.
ఓకే. అంటే మా మామయ్య ఇంకొక కూడా రమేష్ అని ఉన్నాడు, అతని నుంచి కూడా వస్తున్నాయి.
లేదు మేడం, మీరు శ్యామల గారి పేరు మీద చదవండి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. శ్యామల సర్వోన్నతమైన పరమాత్మకు దివ్యమాత దివ్య పిత.
నెమ్మదిగా చదవండి, లోపల చదువుకోండి.
ఓకే.
స్పీడ్ గా చదవండి.
శ్యామల ఉన్నతాత్మక సంస్థ ఆధ్యాత్మిక మార్గదర్శకులకు సహాయకులకు మరియు గురువులకు సంస్థ చికిత్స దేవదత్తులకు మహాకర్మ మండలికి నేనే తాను భగవాన్ మిమ్మల్ని ఈ విధంగా కలిపినందుకు నీకు కృతజ్ఞతలు. మా కర్మలను సంతులనం చేసుకుంటూ అనుమతించినందుకు కృతజ్ఞతలు. నేను ఈ దివ్య ఆదేశాన్ని ప్రణాళికను అంగీకరిస్తున్నాను. నేను తెలిసి గాని తెలియక గాని ఈ జన్మలో గాని గత జన్మలో గాని నీకు నీ కుటుంబానికి చేసిన అన్ని తప్పులు మరియు తీవ్రంగా బాధించినందుకు నన్ను క్షమించమని.
Okay, ma'am.
To do bed yoga every morning and evening, self-healing. Every 2 hours, heal solar plexus and heal stomach. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay? Ask to do liver flash, 1 liver flash. Bowel enema. 2 times.
సార్, నాకు సెకండ్ మ్యారేజ్ మళ్ళీ మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఏమైనా అవకాశం ఉందా? బ్లాక్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
She want to marry again, sir. Is it possible? She is asking, sir.
Madam, ask her to get better first, madam. Physically must get better. Okay. 1, 2, 3 months. Take control of everything and then we talk about marriage. Okay, madam? 3 months, change all the food. Take care of everything, no sciatic pain, all, and then we start. Okay, her problem 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% emotion. That's 30, 40% all, 70% emotion, 30% all about food. Lots of emotion she has got. She must do woman's affirmation. Can you do woman's affirmation?
మేడం, మీకు 70% ఎమోషన్స్, మిగతా 40% మీరు తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ మూలంగా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ మీ ఆరోగ్యాన్ని సెట్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత మ్యారేజ్ గురించి ఆలోచించండి అని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
సరే. మా తమ్ముడు కొంచెం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ గా ఉంటున్నాడు, బాగా ఇంట్లో బాగా పెద్ద పెద్దగా అరవటం అట్లా కాల్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం, ఎలా హీలింగ్ చేయాలి?
She is asking about her brother, sir. He is shouting in the house.
She got lots of emotions, madam. 70% emotions. Emotions. Okay.
ప్రతి అతనికి కూడా ఎమోషన్స్ బాగా ఉన్నాయి మేడం.
ఎమోషనల్.
అవును మేడం, మీరు ఎమోషనల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ హీలింగ్ ఉంది కదా, అది చేయించండి మీ తప్పు.
Yeah, madam, please advise her later. Okay, let's move on.
ఓకే మేడం, తర్వాత చెప్తాం మీకు.
మేడం, నేను తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాను, తర్వాత కొంచెం క్లియర్ గా చెప్తారుగా.
ఓకే మేడం, నేను తర్వాత మీకు చెప్తాను.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Ram Kumar Nalla, are you available now?
Unmute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
long ago, I went to a fake Baba, sir.
What, sir?
మళ్ళీ రాస్తున్నారు ఇదిగో 3వ నెంబర్ ఇవన్నీ చూసుకొని మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళకి అటెండ్ అవటం అర్థం కావాలి కదా అది
Sir, some disturbance is coming, sir.
What kind of disturbance?
సార్ మీరు మాట్లాడండి.
Sir,
What kind of disturbance?
okay, sir, now. Sir, long ago, I went to a fake Baba, sir, in 1993.
What Baba?
Fake Baba.
Oh, fake Baba. Oh.
Yes, sir.
I thought
In
fake.
96, I attacked by a soul, sir. On those days, I am not understand that the soul is attacking me. I think that's some power is attacking from God. After that, I became very psycho for 3 months. I have after that for 5 years I have a very depression, anxiety, stress. From last 20 years, sir, I have IBS, sir. My body is not improving. I am stable at 63 kgs. From last since 20 years, my body is not improving even 1 kg also, sir. On those days, I think Hindu God is controlling my life, sir. After I came to your class, I realized that that is a soul. That is soul controlled my past.
Right.
After reading PVH affirmations, I became mentally very happy, sir. Now I am facing sometimes that the soul is attacking once in a 6 months, sir.
Sir, the soul is no more there now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All are fine. You continue practice spiritual hygiene.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you don't end up in wrong places. You'll be fine. Don't have to look for Babas or okay. Look for the
Okay, sir.
divine.
Now I am.
Very
now
good.
I am stick to PVH, sir.
Now,
Since
your,
2 years.
your diabetic can cause insomnia. Remember that.
Yes, sir.
So you are on type 1 or type 2.
Type 2, sir.
Okay, very good. You start doing bed yoga and heal every part of your body. Let the blood flow and let them open up the cells so that the insulin can go inside and remove the sugar from your body. Understand that? Understand, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Start doing that. Okay, start healing.
Okay,
I think you can heal. No problem.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't think
Yes,
it's
sir.
not
Okay,
serious.
sir.
You start healing with diet and your PVH healing. Okay? No more sugar. You must follow. No more sugar.
Thank you, sir.
No fruits, no mango, ripe mango. Cut down your rice as much as you can. Get some low calorie food, enough to survive. Don't eat more than what you require.
Yes, sir.
The kind of work you need 2,000. You only need 2,000 calorie of food. Don't need 500 calorie of food. Understand?
Sir.
No dates, no raisins. You must follow some rules. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, our family wants to sell our family house, sir. We want to settle in another place, and I am doing also. I want to do some other business, sir.
Okay.
I need
Let's
your
sell, no
business.
problem. Goodbye, sell. I don't see any issues.
Okay, sir.
No
Thank you,
issues,
sir.
my friend. Okay. Take care.
Thank
No
you so much,
issues.
sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, namaste. Good morning. Good evening, sir.
Mr. Sai, where you got your name Sai from? From your father gave you Sai, or you put yourself?
Sir, I am B. Sivasai Prasad, sir, from Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh.
No, you said Sai Prasad. I said the word the Sai you put yourself or your father put when you were born?
సాయి అన్న పేరు మీరు పెట్టుకున్నారా మీ ఫాదర్ పెట్టారా అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
మా నాన్న పెట్టాడండి. My father is.
His father put that name, sir.
Okay, what problem? Smell, dust, cold allergy, running nose, sneezing, early morning sneezing, different from severe allergy. You got one allergy, my friend. You got dust and cold air allergy. Okay, so we can't do it right now. We can't do it right now. In the meantime, you start healing your nose chakra and both the cheek chakras before you sleep. Get up in the morning and start healing nose and both the cheek chakras. Let's see what happens. Understand?
Okay, sir.
You sleep in aircon room, ice water, no ice water, no more ice water. Understand? Drink warm water. All must be food must be warm.
Daily I am taking warm water, sir.
No, yeah. Make sure you take warm water. Okay. Don't even bathe in too cold water. Not cold water. You must bathe. Must be careful. A bit warm temperature, not very hot, just warm temperature. Bathing also is important. You make your body very cold. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You have no cause, nothing, just allergy towards dust and morning, the moisture in the morning. Moisture can be very, very high. That can happen. So take the one, heal the nose chakra and both the cheek chakras. Next time when we come there, we'll remove your allergy, okay?
Okay, sir. Already so many times I participated in your program also, sir.
And then, did I heal your dust allergy?
Yes, sir.
Then what's the problem now?
So many times, sir.
Okay, you just heal your nose and cheek chakras. Let's see how it will tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's see how, okay?
Sir, any blocks is there, sir? Any blocks or cuts?
No blocks. No
sir,
blocks,
white magic, sir.
No. Hey,
any white magic, black magic, sir?
You are Sai, you are put Sai, the white magic will come automatically.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Your name Sai as a white magic come automatically. Then what to do? Tell me. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who is this Rajesh?
Rajesh garu.
Saravani.
Shravani.
Wife
Hi,
and
sir.
husband
Good evening.
staying happily. Who wrote this? Wife wrote or husband wrote?
Okay.
Sir, actually, I elaborated it. I don't know. This got very shortened.
What, madam?
Sir, while I filled the form, I elaborated my problem. Maybe this has got shortened.
Okay, what's the problem? You say wife and husband not happily. No, so you are the wife.
Yeah.
Where's
Yes,
the
sir.
husband? Say you must say I and my husband, not staying happily in one place, madam.
So, sir, actually, I mean, what I filled is I got married 6 years back. This is the 7th year.
Madam. Have you spoken before?
No, I didn't speak to you.
First time, huh?
Yeah, this is the first time. I mean, I recently joined PVH.
Madam, there's one lady who don't want you to get along with the husband. There's one lady.
Okay.
There's one lady don't want you to come with your husband, madam.
Sir, I started reading the affirmations. So, what can be done? Please suggest.
You must think of the lady, madam. Think a lady is from outside. The lady is not from the family, somebody outside. Anyone you know? Not happy with you and husband together?
Not that I'm aware, sir.
Think, madam, think. You know the lady, madam. But she's not from the family, somebody outside. How long you been married, madam?
This is the 7th year.
This lady is not very negative for the past 6 years, madam.
Yeah, so I got married 6 years back only.
So think, madam, think of a lady, madam.
Sir, if you say, is it from friends or family members or relatives?
Oh, outside, like a friend. Yes, like a friend, but not from the family, outside.
Not okay. Harika?
Just think, madam, no names, please.
Okay.
Think of a lady, madam. Thinking.
Sir, nothing is coming in my mind. I'm sorry.
You just mentioned one name just now.
Yeah, she's my friend.
Just think of her, madam. Think of madam, not this girl, like that. Somebody else. So keep on thinking. Can you think, madam?
Yeah, I got a name on my mind.
Can you read page number 7 for this lady now?
Okay.
Quickly. There must be somebody. These are the blocks, man. When the blocks come, everything goes wrong, madam. That's the whole trouble. Understand?
She is 8 months pregnant, sir, actually.
Wow, she's 8 months pregnant. Oh my God. Very sad, madam.
Sir, yes, I completed it.
Okay, madam. Think of this girl and say, please forgive me if I've knowingly or unknowingly hurt you in any way. Just say it right now. Okay, madam, done, madam. Please forgive her 1, 2, 3 times a day. Do divine fire for your husband and read forgiveness second time. Say page number 7 to whomever who is not happy with you and my husband. Okay? Can you do that, madam?
Yeah, I will do that, sir.
Divine
Sir, please bless me.
Yes, do divine favor for yourself. Do divine favor for your husband. Do divine favor for your baby. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Who are you living with now?
Right now, I came to my mother's place.
Okay, think of the husband, madam. Think of your husband. Okay. Are you sharing, are you texting him? Are you talking to him the phone?
Yes, sir. Last weekend, he's with me. I mean, he just came over the weekend. He
Okay,
went
madam.
back to Bangalore.
Okay, okay. Let's see, madam. We have removed the blocks now. Let's see what happens, okay?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Bye. Okay, guys. Saravani. Done. Rajesh.
Namaskaram, sir.
Rajesh, are you here?
Unna, sir. Telugu, sir.
Oh, Telugu, please. Translation, please. House problem. What house problem, sir?
ఇంట్లో బాబుకి వైఫ్ కి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది సార్.
ఏం ప్రాబ్లం సార్?
ఇంట్లో ప్రశాంతంగా లేదు. బాబుకి ఆత్మలాగా కనబడుతుంది. సోల్స్ అయి కనబడుతున్నాయి. సోల్స్ అయి కనబడుతున్నాయి.
ఓకే. In their house, their son seeing souls. Their souls.
నా భార్య కూడా.
Wife and son both are seeing the souls in and around their house, sir.
What, madam?
His wife and son are seeing the souls in and around their house.
Who is seeing the soul? Who? The wife?
Wife and son, both.
Oh, wife and son. Yes, one female soul there, madam. One female soul. What's the prayer altar look like, madam? What do you have in the prayer altar?
పూజ చేసే గది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
వంటగదిలోనే నార్మల్ గానే ఉంటుందండి.
అంటే ఎక్కువ మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తాం, పూజ చేయడం తక్కువ.
In their kitchen they are having that altar, sir. In their kitchen.
What, madam?
In their kitchen they are having the altar, sir.
I mean, what they have, what picture they have in the altar, madam? Yes, madam. They say it's normal, madam.
మేడం ఎవరిని పూజిస్తారు?
Can they show in the video? They can take.
చూపించండి ఒకసారి, చూపించండి ఒకసారి.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ ఇల్లు మారాం మేడం. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ సొంత ఇంట్లోకి రాబోతున్నాం.
అలా కాదు సార్, మీరు ఎవరిని పూజిస్తారు? ఏ దేవుణ్ణి పూజిస్తారు?
మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తాం మేడం మేము ఎక్కువ.
దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ మెడిటేషన్ సార్.
మాస్టర్ సివి బుత్తరైతే తారక రాజు.
Master CVV meditation, sir, they are doing.
What is Master CV, madam?
Burta Raita Taraka Rajiyoga meditation.
He's a master.
Taraka Rajiyoga.
So many people are following him, Master CVV. One group is.
Wait, hold on. What is Master CVV? I don't understand. Is it a man? Is it a person? Is it a technique?
He's a man.
It's a man.
Yes.
Is he living or gone?
He is gone.
Gone.
Yes.
And what kind of meditation? You say his name?
Meditation లో ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు?
కళ్ళు మూసుకొని కూర్చుంటాం మేడం. మాస్టర్ గారు నేమ్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ నేమ్ అనుకొని కూర్చుంటాం. 45 minutes కూర్చుంటాం.
Yes, sir. They sit closed eyes and they are thinking about the master's name, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master CVV
That's all.
Namaskaram. Yes,
That's
they
all.
are saying like that only, sir.
That's all.
After the completion of meditation, they are saying like that, sir.
My God, and so much a problem.
ఏంటి మేడం?
And he's asking, I am not following PVH. Why?
మేడం
చెప్పండి.
మరి ఫస్ట్ లో ఏం లేదు మేడం, కొంచెం అంటే నా మ్యారేజ్ అయినాక తర్వాత మా వారు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అయ్యయ్యో ఇట్లా తెలుస్తుంటాయి అన్నారని చెప్పి నేనేం చేశానంటే మా వారు తెలియకుండా ఈ మెడిటేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సోల్స్ చూడాలని ఏదో చిన్న కోరిక కలిగి నేను అనుకున్నాను. ఆ తర్వాత నుంచి నాకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ స్టార్ట్ అయినాయి. కాకపోతే భయంతో మా హస్బెండ్ చెప్పలా, 2 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అప్పటికే మేము సొంత ఇంటికి వచ్చాము, 1 ఇయర్ బాగుంది. కొంచెం ఆ వేలో వెళ్ళేసరికి అప్పటి నుంచి హెల్త్ కేర్కి బాగా దెబ్బ కొట్టింది మేడం. మనీకి ఇంకా మెడిటేషన్ కూడా మేము అప్పటి నుంచి ఈ రోజు వరకు దగ్గర దగ్గర 10 ఏళ్ళు మేడం. ఇప్పటిదాకా మేము మెడిటేషన్ కూర్చోవాలన్నా వల్ల కావట్లేదు. అలా ప్రెజెంట్ అలా జరిగింది. కాదు కొన్ని వాటికి వెళ్ళినాక లాస్ట్ లో ఇంకా ఈ కనుక్కున్నాక అప్పుడు మేడంని కలవడం అలా జరిగింది.
At first she want to see the souls. She is the desire to see the souls, sir, firstly.
Okay, now the souls are house. Enjoy.
మీరు చూడాలనుకున్నారు కదా, సోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయమంటున్నారు సార్.
అవును, అది చాలా ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు లేదు మేడం, తర్వాత చాలా మందికి వెళ్ళినాక అన్ని కట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు అసలు ఏమీ రావట్లేదు. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే కొంచెం హెల్త్ కేర్ ఒకటి మేడం, హెల్త్ కేర్ ఒకటి మనీ ప్రాబ్లం గా కూడా జరుగుతుంది మేడం. పేపర్లు చదవమన్నాక చదవడం బీనాక ఎక్కడ పేపర్లు చదివితే అక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మాది బిజినెస్ కాలేజ్ మేడం. మామూలు ఫస్ట్ నారాయణ అయితే అక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యాం. పేపర్ చదివితే ఆ నారాయణ క్యాంపస్ మాకు ఇవ్వాల. తర్వాత ఏమో ఇంకో క్యాంపస్ వెళ్ళాం, అది మిస్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ ఎన్ఆర్ఐకి వెళ్తున్నాక ఈ ఇయర్ అది కూడా మిస్ అయింది. నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది పేపర్ చదివితే మాకు మిస్ అవుతుంది అనిపిస్తున్నా కూడా ఎక్కడో పేపర్ వల్ల ఏమన్నా రిజల్ట్ ఉంటుందన్న ఉద్దేశంతో అది చదువుతున్నా కానీ మిస్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది మేడం. మనీగా ఇలా వస్తుంది. మాది హౌస్ ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లము, ఒకవేళ నా వల్ల హౌస్ వల్ల ఏమన్నా తేడా అనిపిస్తుంది. హౌస్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు బాబు కొంచెం అప్పుడప్పుడు సోల్ అలా కనబడుతుందమ్మా, నేను దగ్గరగా కూడా చూస్తాను అన్నాడు బాబు. అందుకని ఇల్లు మారామండి. ఇల్లు మారినా మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వస్తామని తెలుసు. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాక 3 నెలలే మేడం మారి. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నాకు అనిపించి ఇంకా డబ్బు ఇప్పుడు 3 నెలలు ఇంటి అద్దె కట్టలేక మళ్ళీ మా ఇంటి మేము వద్దని ఇవాళ శుభ్రం చేసుకుంటున్నాం మేడం. అది
They are facing lot of financial problems, sir. They are in the position not to pay the rent of the house. She is saying that, and her son are seeing the souls, some souls in her own dates.
Madam, you must be very, very careful when you start doing all of these things, madam. Sometimes you can get a lot of inner world connection, madam.
Yes, sir.
You must please be careful when you enter all this meditation. Sometimes in dark side. Madam, I don't know what the CVV master is all about. I don't know what he teaches, madam. But I think a lot of people, Andhra is doing the same thing, madam.
She is saying that she stopped about that, sir, but their financial position goes down, sir.
Madam, has she seen the CVV master? Has she seen him before?
మీరు ఇప్పటికీ చేస్తున్నారా మేడం సివివి మెడిటేషన్?
మధ్యలో ఆపేసాను.
లేదు మేడం, అసలు చాలా తక్కువ చేయం మేడం.
They are not able to do the meditation nowadays, sir. Last 1 year they are not able to do the meditation also, sir.
ఎప్పుడన్నా బాధేసి ఏడుపు వచ్చినప్పుడే.
Madam, let me tell you, there's no divine energy in the house, but only dark energy, madam. A lot of dark in the house, okay? Now think of the the whatever they call him, master, whatever. Think of that man.
ఆయన మాస్టర్ ని ఒకసారి గుర్తు చేసుకోమంటున్నారండి.
Hold page number 7 in the Ajna Chakra and think of this man.
మీ క్షమాప్రార్థనలో 7వ పేజీ ఆజ్ఞా చక్రం ఎదురుకుండా పెట్టుకుని ఆయన ఒకసారి తలుచుకోండి.
మేడం మేము ఏం తీసుకురాకుండా ఇక్కడ వేరే ప్లేస్ వచ్చాం మేడం. పేపర్ ఏం రెడీగా లేవు మేడం.
మాస్టర్ రూపం అనుకోమంటే అనుకుంటాం.
అంటే మా దగ్గర ఏం లేవు, కొత్త ఇంటికి వద్దాం అని చెప్పి సొంత ప్లేస్ వచ్చాము.
Hello, hold page number 7 and think of that man. That's all. Do it now.
పేపర్లు లేవు మేడం.
థింక్ చేయండి.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Okay, madam.
Wait, madam.
Same thing, madam. About a year back, one lady called me from USA. The daughter was only 12 years old, and she was having so much headache in the Ajna chakra. And the mother and the daughter was doing meditation for this master CVV, you know. And I told them, stop. They refused to listen. I said, if you don't want to stop, don't waste my time calling me. I said, don't call me anymore, and that's it. You know, a small child having headache here, doing all this meditation. Why they want to do that for? I don't understand. Why they want to do a mantra under a name of a person? It's wrong, madam. It's all very wrong. Some people come and say, use my name, my mantra, do me, whatever, Sai this, Ram, whatever it is, but it's all wrong to do that. It's very wrong. You should not, they should all find a way to show you the path towards the light, to God, not become God. You know what I mean, madam? It's wrong. Okay? So tell them that, madam. Tell them that all are gone now, everything is finished now. Everything is come back normal. They can start the normal life, do divine fire for money, and do prosperation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times a day. They must do the prosperation, take a picture with a camera in the phone and start doing it. Okay? Start doing that.
ప్రాస్పెక్ట్ ఎఫర్మేషన్స్ రోజుకి 6 సార్లు చేయమన్నారు సార్. రేపు ఒకసారి నాకు కాల్ చేయండి, నేను చెప్తాను, మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, madam.
Madam, sir, my husband is having back pain, sir.
Where's your husband? Who's husband? Who's this now?
Wait a minute, sir.
Who is this now? Yamini.
Yes, sir.
Back pain due to L4, L5 gap and thyroid fluctuation for my husband in the past 3 years. Also prosperity issues and not getting enough money to be able to get second source of income for current future needs. Yamini, why is your husband working, madam?
Yes, sir.
Where is he working?
GMR, sir.
Huh?
GMR.
What is GMR?
Andhra Pradesh.
No. Where is your husband working?
Related to heights.
GMR company, sir. Name of the company is GMR.
Okay. Is he there now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there's one lady not happy with you, sir.
Sir?
From my
There's one lady from the working place not happy with you. One lady from your working place not happy with you. Understand, sir?
working place.
మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్న ప్లేస్ లో ఒక లేడీ మీ వలన సంతోషంగా లేదని చెప్తున్నారు. మీరు థింక్ చేయండి, ఎవరో ఒక లేడీని, మీ కొలీగ్స్ లో ఎవరో ఒకరిని థింక్ చేయండి.
Thinking, sir, thinking.
థింక్ చేయండి.
Thinking now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now read page number 7 for the lady now.
మీరు ఎవరైతే థింక్ చేశారో వాళ్ళ పేరు మీద 7th పేజీలో బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఆ పేరు పెట్టి చదవండి.
Okay.
ఆ పేరు బట్టి చదవండి.
Think of her, sir. Think of her now. Think of her.
కళ్ళు మూసుకొని థింక్ చేయండి.
Okay, now inhale, exhale.
Inhale, exhale.
Don't close your eyes. Eyes open. Tongue on the palate. Inhale, exhale. Not with the mouth. Just nose. Inhale the nose. Exhale the nose. Please. Slowly inhale. Eyes open. Look at me. Don't close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. How is the pain now?
ఎంతవరకు తగ్గిందో చెప్పండి.
పెయిన్ ఎలా ఉందండి?
Okay, ma'am. 5. It is reduced somewhat.
Reduced to 5.
Keep on healing now. Okay, now please remember this, sir. There's someone not happy within the office, so do divine fire for yourself, do divine fire for office, do divine fire for your job. Read page number 7 for the lady and whoever is not happy with me in the place of my work. Okay, understand, madam? You must do that. Okay? Right. Your prosperity is 0 Please do prosper affirmation 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day. You must do prosper affirmation 4 times a day. You and I must do. You and your wife must sit down and do prosper affirmation. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You all sit down and meditate. You all do meditation.
మీరు మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తారండి?
Previously we used to do, sir, but now we have stopped, sir.
You see, madam, when you do meditation, money is not going to come to you. Okay, madam?
Okay.
You want money, you think of money. Don't think of closing eyes and want to go somewhere. Okay, madam?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Money is very important, madam. Is our money very important, madam?
Yes, sir. It's important.
You must start saying that. Don't go and waste your time. Sit down, meditate here, meditate out. Say, I'm not interested. I want to make money for my family, for my children. I want my money. Money is good. Money is super, super good. Money is fantastic. Everybody needs to be, I need money. My family needs money. Say that, madam, every day. Okay?
Okay, sir. One more
very soon we will share the money affirmation, the money video. They can play the video also. The one that we play every day. Watch and follow it, madam. Follow. Don't go and see this Baba, that Baba. See a man half naked, and since they get excited, madam, money will not come to you. Okay?
Okay, sir. One more request, sir. He will snore deeply, sir. Very sound.
Sleep in the next room, madam. Don't sleep with him. Make him sleep in the hall. Make him sleep in the hall, madam.
Okay, sir.
No, but I know soul coming, physical snoring only. Heal the nose and heal the cheek chakras. Okay?
Okay, sir.
No souls coming, just physical snoring only. Physical snoring only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, the nose chakras and the chin chakra and the cheek chakra. Okay, start doing that. Let's see what happens. Okay?
Okay, sir.
When it's snoring, madam, try to move the head slightly. Try to move the head slightly. If you're awake, slightly. Sometime, madam, we must learn how to sleep such a way even if snore, it should not wake you up, madam. It become like that.
Okay, sir. Sir, lots of souls are coming in our house, sir.
They won't come anymore, madam. Let's see. I don't see any more there. Madam, when you start doing meditation, when lots of souls will come, madam.
Okay, sir.
Please, what kind of prayer altar you have? All that very important, madam. Those kind of things can also attract souls.
Okay, sir.
Any Kali picture you have?
No, sir.
So be careful, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yantra, Tantra, Mantra, Yantra, more you put inside, be careful. All these things can attract souls. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
అంజనీ గారు
మేడం చెప్పండి.
మీ హస్బెండ్ చూపించాను.
ఓకే.
So there's one lady not happy with this man. Tell him from his own family.
సార్ మీ కుటుంబంలో నుంచి ఒక లేడీ మీరంటే ఇష్టం లేకుండా ఉంది. ఆవిడని థింక్ చేయండి. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు మీ కుటుంబంలో ఉన్న స్త్రీలు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళని ఒకసారి గుర్తు చేసుకోండి. ఎవరు
మీ కుటుంబంలో ఉన్న స్త్రీలలో ఒకరికి నువ్వంటే పడడం లేదు. ఆమె ఎవరు నువ్వు థింక్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నారు.
థింక్ చేస్తున్నారా అండి? ఇప్పుడు మీ అక్క చెల్లెళ్ళు, మీ పిన్నులు, మీ అత్తలు ఇలా ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదండి లేడీస్.
చెల్లెలు సునీత అండి. హలో
సార్, హి ఈస్ సేయింగ్ అబౌట్ హిస్ సిస్టర్ సార్.
Yes, sister number 7 with sister now.
మీ సిస్టర్ పేరు మీద మేడం అంజనీ గారు ఆయనకి 7th పేజ్ ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళ చెల్లెల పేరు మీద చదవమని చెప్పండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఈ పేపర్ పెట్టుకుని
read now.
ఇప్పుడు చదవమని చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు అంతా చదువు.
పేరు పెట్టి చెప్పండి.
ఉన్నతమైన పరమాత్మకు
సర్వోన్నతమైన పరమాత్మకు
దివ్యమాత నా ఉన్నత
ఆత్మకు
మ్యామ్ వ్యక్తి పేరు దగ్గర వాళ్ళ సిస్టర్ పేరు చెప్పమంటారా?
అవునండి
మేడం. ఒక్క నిమిషం, అది డౌటే కదా మేడం.
నువ్వు చదువు.
డౌట్ కాదు సార్, కన్ఫర్మ్ చేశారు, చదవండి.
కన్ఫర్మ్ చేశారు ఆమె అని నువ్వు చదువు. సమస్త ఆధ్యాత్మిక మార్గదర్శక సహాయకులకు మ్యామ్ ఈయన చదవలేరు, అది చూపిమంటారా మ్యామ్ పైనది సింబల్?
చూపించండి, ఆ పేరు అతర్చుకుని చూపించండి.
సునీతది పేరు చెప్పి ఇది చూడు, నేను ఇది చూడాలి.
సునీత.
Sir, he is not able to read the papers, sir. They are showing the symbol to his Ajna Chakra, sir.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, madam, all the block is gone for the child now. Now the mother must start healing her. Do Ida Pingala, aura cleansing Ida Pingala. Heal the solar plexus, heal the pancreas, heal the liver, heal the pituitary gland, hypothalamus. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na madam?
Okay, ma'am. పాపకి ఏం చేయలే మ్యామ్, ఇంకా పాపకి అక్కర్లేదా?
Stop eating sugar for a start. Reduce the sugar. She needs a lot of vitamins, madam. Vitamins.
Okay, sir. I'll inform them, sir, later. You continue. Madam, రేపు నాకు కాల్ చేయండి, ఇంక చెప్తాను మీకు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Nagamani. Madam Nagamani, are you there?
నమస్తే సార్. తెలుగు.
Telugu, madam. I Tamil, madam. You Telugu, I Tamil. I speak Tamil, okay? Okay?
No, sir. I am Telugu.
You also must learn Tamil, madam. You learn Tamil, I learn Telugu. I know one Telugu word, madam. Gongara.
మీ అబ్బాయి ఉన్నాడు కదా మేడం, మాట్లాడమనండి.
We're facing more fun. We have decided to sell our house property. Oh my God.
Good evening, sir.
Where's husband?
Her son is speaking, sir.
Father got lots and lots of block, my friend. Your father got lots and lots of block.
Sir, I didn't get you, sir.
Your father got lots and lots of blocks.
Yeah, sir.
మీ ఫాదర్ కి చాలా బ్లాక్స్ ఉన్నాయట. ఉన్నారా మీ ఫాదర్?
లేరు మేడం, బయటకు వెళ్ళారు. ఉన్నాయి, నిజమే సార్, ఆయన చెప్పింది నిజమే.
What is that?
He confirmed that the blocks.
Yes, your father must sit down, read affirmation, sit down the full moon, Sunday blessings, all he must sit down. And he must do divine fire for money and also money affirmation every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. At least 7 times a day he must do.
Okay, sir.
Very
So
important.
We kept our house for sale, sir.
Yeah, I know, but where's your father? The father must sit down here right now, not your mother.
Okay, sir. Daddy కూర్చోవాలంటాం.
Is your father there?
సార్ బయటకి వెళ్ళారు సార్, ఈయన లేరు.
She is saying that her husband went out, sir, for some.
But does he believe in these things? Does he believe in healing?
ఈయన PVH బిలీవ్ చేస్తారండి, నమ్ముతారండి? మీ హస్బెండ్ చదువుతారు ఎఫర్మేషన్స్?
చదువుతారండి, బ్యాడ్జ్ కూడా పెట్టుకుంటారు.
Yes, sir. He is reading and he is putting the badge also, sir.
Okay, then come. Then very good, madam. Make him come down. Lots and lots of block. He is the block, everything, madam. All from this lifetime and past lifetime.
మేడం పిలవండి, ఆయన బయటకు వెళ్తే క్లాస్ అయ్యేలోకి వస్తే అడుగుదాం సార్ని మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే మేడం. ఓకే సార్.
సరే సరే.
వాసవి గారు ఉన్నారా మేడం? వాసవి.
Vasavi, are you here? Chilakala Siva.
శివ గారు.
మ్యామ్ ఉన్నాను మ్యామ్, వాళ్ళ అమ్మాయిని మేడం నేను.
ఓకే.
క్యాన్సర్.
సార్ మ్యామ్, యాక్చువల్లీ మై మదర్ ఈస్ సఫరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ క్యాన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ 8 months మ్యామ్.
Cancer of what, madam?
Which cancer? ఏ క్యాన్సర్ అమ్మా?
అది పెద్ద పేగు క్యాన్సర్ మ్యామ్.
What, madam?
ఏ క్యాన్సర్ అండి?
పెద్ద పేగు క్యాన్సర్ మ్యామ్. పెద్ద పేగు.
లార్జ్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ క్యాన్సర్ సార్.
Ovarian cyst. How old is mother?
ఎంతండి వయసు? మీ మదర్ కి ఎంత వయసు?
50 మ్యామ్. 50 years old మ్యామ్.
50 years old.
So young, huh? So young. Lots of emotion, madam.
Sir, ma'am, actually my mother is talking with you, ma'am.
Namaskaram, sir.
Here is my mother, ma'am.
Madam, tell her she's got lots of emotion, madam. Very, very long time, very long emotions. Long-standing emotions.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, actually Padma garu is healing my mom, ma'am.
ఎస్ మేడం కరెక్టే కానీ బాగా ఎమోషన్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్తున్నారు సార్ చాలా చాలా సంవత్సరాల నుంచి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఉన్నాయని చెప్తున్నారు.
ఏం పేపర్ చదువుతున్నాను సార్.
I'm actually 4th stage of cancer, ma'am. But from 2 months, ma'am, she is completely recovering from cancer, ma'am.
Okay.
Medicine also very less, ma'am. Present now.
Okay.
So ask her to read woman's affirmation and accept a lot of things in life. Okay, take the one in healing. Follow all our cancer healing, madam. I'm going to be in a short while. Ask her to follow the cancer healing in a short while.
ఓకే మేడం నెక్స్ట్ సార్ క్యాన్సర్ హీలింగ్ చేస్తారు కదా అప్పుడు ఫాలో అవ్వమంటున్నారు. యాక్చువల్లీ నర్సరావుపేట పద్మావతి మేడం షీ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ హీలింగ్ ఫర్ హర్ సార్.
రోజు హీలింగ్ చేస్తున్నామండి ఆ మేడం కి. అది తన క్యాన్సర్ 4th స్టేజ్ అని చెప్పారండి డాక్టర్స్. చేస్తున్నాం సార్ హీలింగ్.
ఓకే ఓకే మేడం.
What she say?
They are doing healing for her, sir.
Good, madam. Good. But still, madam, she still have a lot of emotion. Okay, so it may come back again. So she must let go all the emotion she has. It says from the day it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from 7 years old, young child, she had lots of emotions.
7 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉన్నాయంట.
7 సంవత్సరాలు ఆవిడకి 7 ఏళ్ళు ఉన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్.
The body is healing, but she must find a way to remove all the emotion and she'll be better. Okay?
Ma'am, what will you do, ma'am? What will you do?
ఎమోషనల్ హీలింగ్ అనేది మేము గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టామండి. ఎమోషనల్ హీలింగ్ వీడియో ఉంది. మదర్ ని ప్రతిరోజు దాన్ని ఫాలో అవ్వమని చెప్పండి. ఆ వీడియో పెట్టుకుని ఎమోషనల్ హీలింగ్ వీడియో గ్రూప్ లో ఉంది. లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ నేను పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. కంటిన్యూ.
పద్మ మేడం దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం మ్యామ్.
ఓకే నేను ఇస్తానులేమ్మా.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Relax. Last one, 20.
నమస్తే సార్.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మా అమ్మగారికి 68 సంవత్సరాలు సార్.
Previous life classes. Wait. My name is Tuma. Wait, madam. My name is Tuma Kateswar, Mathur Mandal, Andhra Pradesh.
Yes,
mother Tuma Purnama, age 67, has spine injury when she fell down in our compound a month in April. As a result, D12. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Wait, madam. Kochi, what is Kochi?
Wait.
Okay, fracture and recovered, but left hip got severe paining, could not sit or stand for 10 minutes. Consult 5 doctors, they said age of 67, there's no permanent cure for severe pain. She has sugar and BP for the last 9 years, but under control. Please help, sir. Okay, so let me tell you, sir, your mother has got lots of dark energy. Where's your mother now?
Yes, sir.
Where's your mother? Can your mother read forgiveness affirmation now? Can she read forgiveness? Is your mother reading forgiveness?
మీ మదర్ అఫర్మేషన్ చదువుతారండి?
మా అమ్మగారు చదువులేదు మేడం గారు. అయితే మా అన్నయ్య గారు కొంత నేర్చుకొని ఉన్నారు. ఆయన చదువుతారు.
ఆయన చదవటం కాదండి. ఆవిడకి ఆజ్ఞా చక్రం దగ్గర చూపించట్లేదా?
చూపిస్తున్నామండి డైలీ
Let everybody hold on. Let everybody, the group here, and also everybody who are outside the group and watching on Facebook Live, let me tell this to Andhra people. Andhra people, your food is very acidic, very spicy, very sugary, very carbohydrate, and very salty and very oily. Okay. Now, by eating all of this food, as you grow older and older, your bones can be subjected to osteoarthritis, osteoporosis. When this happens, your body becomes weak, and when you fell down, a lot of bones can get damaged, can get fractured, can even break. So you must be very, very careful about what you eat today. So change your diet, my friend. Change your diet. Make sure you have a lot of greens and make sure your food is very alkaline, not acidic. Now, you see the lady is suffering now. It's not easy. No, this hip fracture, you know. It's not easy. Sometimes the hip is not too bad. What if the fracture is in your spine? The small bones of your spine, that can really cause a lot of pain. The nerves are going through that. Okay. Now I see she says spine injury, spine. The spine injury, The spine got lots of bone, and you'll impinge. She got problem with even the teeth, the whole spine got problem. Whole spine. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% osteoporosis. 80% osteoporosis, my friend. So anybody should not fall down. When you fall down, when your bone has got osteoporosis, it can break and cause lots of issue. So this lady needs a lot of healing.
Okay, sir.
Diet change. Who can heal her? Can you heal her?
Yes, sir. My brother also healed her.
Start healing the whole spine. First of all, your mother got a lot of dark energy coming all from her own family members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people from her own family not happy with her. What happened? Why is so many people not happy with her from her own family? Why?
మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యుల్లోనే 11 మంది ఆవిడంటే ఇష్టం లేదట ఎందుకు అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
Not the husband family, her own family.
ఆవిడ పుట్టింటి వైపు వారిదండి, అత్తింటి వైపు వారు.
అంటే అది ఎట్లా చెప్పగలం మేడం గారు? చెప్పలేము అది విషయం. ఇష్టం లేదు అనే దానికి మనం చెప్పలేము కదా, మాకు తెలియదు కూడా ఆ విషయం. ఇట్లా ఇష్టం లేదు అనే విషయం కూడా మాకు తెలియదు.
They don't know the reason, sir.
What, madam?
They are saying that they don't know the reason.
Okay, ask them to take up page number 7 and read to everybody. Okay, madam? Read, anytime they can heal. Sit down in the blessing short while, make a mother go to near the mother when the blessing is happening. Make her sit down, I'll remove the dark energy, okay? But she must read. And then the healing can start. Now the healing is not happening to her.
పేజ్ నెంబర్ 7 లో మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులు, మీ అమ్మగారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులు అందరినీ తలుచుకుని పేజ్ నెంబర్ 7 చదవండి. కొంచెం సేపట్లో బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, దాంట్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. సార్ డార్క్ ఎనర్జీ రిమూవ్ చేస్తారు, తర్వాత హీలింగ్ చేస్తే హీలింగ్ జరుగుతుందండి.
ఓకే మేడం గారు.
Okay, madam? Okay, guys, we'll stop here today. We'll stop at number 20. We will continue some other time. Tomorrow will be G-Meet for Malaysian people. Okay, guys? So I'm going to start the blessing right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys?
Okay,
Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll continue from here onwards. Okay, thank you.